Hello friends, Defragmenter here. Today I'm going to show you a simple hack on how to tie a tie in just seconds. This is actually very easy to do. I'm going to start by walking you through each step nice and slowly so that you can master it yourself. And if you stick around to the end, I'll share with you a little secret on how to make your knot look nice and triangular. To get started, lay the wide end of the tie along your forearm like this. You want the tip of the wide end to be level with your elbow. The thin end can hang down over your fingers. Now, most of this knot is tied with the thin end, so the first step is to pick it up and just throw it over your arm like this. And we're going to do that a second time, in exactly the same way. And again, one more time. So what you should have now are 3 loops wrapped around your arm. This second one is the most important one. This is the one that's going to hold everything in place. What you need to do is lift up the first loop, reach underneath it, and grab the middle one. Gently pull it up like this, nice and slowly. And as you're doing that, what you should see is a nice fore and hand knot starting to form. Now, we're not quite there yet. To lock it into place, hold the wide end with one hand and gently pull this loop in the opposite direction. Now remember that little secret I said I was going to share with you on how to make your knot look nice and triangular? This is what you need to do. Loosen the tie a little and throw it over your head. Now pinch the bottom of the knot and pull the tops apart. Don't worry if it isn't perfectly symmetrical. The fore and hand is meant to be slightly asymmetrical. It's a formal knot with a relaxed edge, and this little trick will get it to look nice and triangular for you. Friends, if there's anything specific you'd like me to make a tutorial about, just let me know down in the comments, and I'll do my best to make that happen. Hopefully you got some value out of this video. If you did, please hit that like button. It's always greatly appreciated. And I'll see you in the next one.